Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by shaping the immediate environment. Clear a 25 to 60-minute block and commit to it now. Put your phone in another room or on silent. This reduces friction. Once done, gather only 1 or 2 essential materials so decision fatigue stays low. You act first, not plan forever. This is why momentum beats good intentions. Make sure to tell yourself, 1 focused session, then reassess. That small start rewires avoidance into steady progress. You now execute using focus cycles. Set 25/5 or 50/10 intervals and stick to them. This structure sustains attention and reduces overwhelm. Break your assignment into 10 to 15-minute micro steps with a single clear outcome each. This clarifies what to do next. Once a cycle ends, record a quick note about what worked or what blocked you. Make sure to adjust interval length to match your concentration. Over time, these repeated wins build reliable study. You finish by closing the loop. Spend 5 minutes reviewing what you completed and write 1 explicit next step so resuming is effortless. If you hit a block, use a 10-minute timer and force a tiny attempt. Often momentum kicks in after that brief push. Make sure to add a small reward like a short walk or a $0.50 treat to reinforce behavior. If procrastination returns, revisit environment and micro steps. Adjust timers until the flow returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.